We are 11th of November and it's just gone 10 p.m. and the puppies have just come out to play. And Mitzi's out to play. Are you ready, Mitzi? You want to play fetch? Bring it. I'll have them playtime. Oh, look, Tipsy's got your other smelly sock over there, look. Tipsy's got a smelly sock. Yeah, Mitzi, you ready? Fetch. Pups. Puppies. Chasing off Molly. That was the two girls. Mitzi. Mitz. Peanut. Little peanut. Pups. Look. Look. That wasn't peanut, that was sugar plum. I had to tell them apart till they're together. You're just too cute. Oh, they're coming to get you, Tilly. They're getting you. They're coming to get you. What are you up to round there? Puppies. Let's see if we can roll that in for them. Oh, that didn't work, did it? Huh?